If you want to make your home more secure, start with the front door. Whether you want to upgrade your current deadbolt or your old one's just been acting up, replacing it is so easy that even a DIY novice like myself can do it. Today on Ask Safewise, how do you replace a deadbolt?
But before we get into it, like and subscribe for more reviews, how-tos, and videos like this from us every week. All right, let's get into it.
Deadbolt being a deadbeat, let's replace it. The first step to replacing your deadbolt is buying a new set. And unlike many DIY projects, you don't need to strain yourself measuring every inch of your door to find the right deadbolt. I found this one at my local supermarket for about $14. Most of the deadbolts out there are universal. Start by unscrewing the back of your original deadbolt. Take off that plate and set it aside. Next, unscrew the screws on the strike plate. You know, the part that connects with the wall. Then you can take out the front of the deadbolt. Once that piece is off, you can fully remove the old bolt. You'll be left with a hole in your door where the bolt used to be. Okay, so I know I said there wasn't any measuring required, but that's not entirely accurate. Most deadbolts come in two sizes built right in. One for wider diameter holes and one for smaller. The one I used had two sizes. One was 2 3/4 and the other was 2 3/8. I ended up using the smaller one. It's easy to switch between the two by twisting the deadbolt to fit the hole. Before screwing anything in, make sure the new deadbolt fits your door. You can tell by looking at the center latch where the front of the bolt connects to the back. That middle cross should sit right in the middle of the hole. Now we'll get started on the new bolt. Insert the bolt itself into the door. Be sure up marked on the bolt is pointing up and the latch is in the middle of the hole. The screws that came with the kit I had were really short, so I used longer ones for my old deadbolt instead. When it comes to securing doors, these longer screws provide a better grip in the wood and better security for your front door. Once that's all aligned, screw in the strike plate. Next is the tricky part. Align the front and back plates on the door. You'll see the bolt holes at the front faceplate where the screws go into. Those will line up with the back faceplate. You can hold the front plate yourself or grab some tape to make the job a little easier. Next, screw in the two bolts holding the back plate to the front plate. This might take some patience and maybe a couple of attempts if you're doing it alone, but you've got this. Finally, test the lock to make sure it's aligned and working. And you're done. You can test your deadbolt by trying to lock it from the inside and testing the lock from the outside with the included keys. Now you've got a shiny new deadbolt and you're ready to go.
If we left you with more questions, drop them in the comments below. We make Ask Safewise videos every week, and we would love to hear what's on your mind. Tag those comments with the hashtag AskSafewise, and we might feature your questions on a future episode. Thanks for watching and stay safe.